Are you intrigued by the idea of earning substantial affiliate commissions, perhaps even exceeding $50,000 by promoting high-ticket programs? In this video, I'll uncover the top 5 premium high-ticket affiliate programs that offer significant earning potential. These programs cater to a premium customer base, offering exclusive products and services. Stick around as I reveal how you can start promoting them today and earn money through sales or lead generation. First up is the Augusta Precious Metals Affiliate Program. Augusta is a renowned company assisting individuals in safeguarding and growing their wealth through investments in precious metals like gold and silver. Affiliates can earn commissions ranging from 5% to 10% on sales, with potential earnings reaching hundreds of thousands of dollars. Plus, you can earn additional income from qualified leads and referrals. Interested? Head to their affiliate page to apply. Next, we have Amazing.com offering the Amazing Selling Machine. With commissions ranging from 25% to 50% on sales and lifetime commissions on memberships, this program presents an excellent opportunity to earn while helping others establish successful e-commerce ventures. To join, visit their website and explore the affiliate section for more details. Goldco's affiliate program offers commissions of $35 per qualified lead and up to 8% on sales. Similar to Augusta Precious Metals, Goldco focuses on helping people secure their financial futures through investments in precious metals. Interested? Fill out the application form on their affiliate page and start promoting their services today. Authority Hacker provides online marketing training courses with generous commissions of up to $1,179 per sale and lifetime commissions on referred products. If you're serious about scaling your online marketing skills, this program is for you. Visit their website, meet the requirements, and apply to become an affiliate today. Lastly, we have the Freedom Accelerator Affiliate Program, offering a 50% commission rate. Led by Jonathan Montoya, this program leverages webinars to close high-ticket sales. With a 360-day cookie period and comprehensive marketing resources, it's an enticing opportunity for affiliates. Interested? Check out the link in the description to join. And there you have it. The top high-ticket affiliate programs that can help you earn substantial commissions. Whether you're interested in precious metals, e-commerce, online marketing, or high-ticket sales, there's something for everyone. Take action now and start monetizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Stay tuned for more valuable insights in our next video.